Analyze the distinguishing features of the notion of equality in the constitutions of the USA and India. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The concept of equality is a fundamental principle in the constitutions of both the United States and India. While both countries are committed to ensuring equality for their citizens, there are notable differences in how this concept is articulated and implemented in their respective legal frameworks. Body. Key differences in the notion of equality. Constitutional provisions. USA. The principle of equality is primarily found in the 14th Amendment, which guarantees equal protection under the law. The 5th Amendment also includes a due process clause that encompasses equal protection. India. The Indian Constitution explicitly states equality in Articles 14 to 18, which ensure equality before the law, prohibit discrimination, and abolish untouchability and titles. Scope of protection. USA focuses mainly on equal protection of the laws, meaning laws must be applied equally to everyone. India extends beyond this by prohibiting discrimination based on various grounds, Article 15, and ensuring equal opportunities in public employment, Article 16. Affirmative action. USA. Affirmative action policies are scrutinized by the courts, requiring a strong government interest and specific measures to achieve diversity. India. The Constitution explicitly allows affirmative action, such as reservations in education and employment for backward classes, Article 15, 4, and Article 16, 4. Role of the judiciary. USA. The Supreme Court has significantly interpreted equality through landmark cases like Brown v. Board of Education, 1954. India. The judiciary has also been proactive in interpreting equality, asserting it as part of the basic structure of the Constitution, which cannot be altered. Conclusion. These differences illustrate the unique historical, social, and political contexts of the United States and India, highlighting the various ways in which the principle of equality is pursued and articulated in each nation.